Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite holiday recipes, and that is a fudge recipe. Today is also going to be a collaboration with 3 other mommy channels. They are Morgan Lee, Jin Davis, and Not Just Mommy Time. Once you get done watching this video, make sure you check out their channels as well and make sure that you tell them that I sent you. And if you're from their channels, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around and subscribe. For this recipe today, you are going to need 1.5 sticks of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of evaporated milk, 1 package of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 13 ounces of marshmallow cream, 1 cup of chopped nuts, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 13 by 9 inch buttered pan, and a microwave proof bowl. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to butter your pan, your 13 by 9 inch pan. You want to make sure that this is really well buttered so that none of the fudge will stick to the pan when you are done. Then in your microwave proof bowl, you are going to put your 1.5 sticks of butter, and you are going to melt that butter in the microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds. While your butter is melting, you can measure out your 2/3 cup of evaporated milk and also get your 3 cups of sugar ready. When you pull out your bowl, you're going to add the 3 cups of sugar, and the evaporated milk to the butter. And then you're just going to mix everything really well until it's really well incorporated and very creamy looking. This is where the directions start to get a little confusing, so just be very careful when you're doing this. What the directions say is to return the bowl to the microwave and microwave on high for 5 minutes, stirring after 3 minutes. Once you've stirred it, then you place it back in the microwave and let it go for the remaining 2 minutes. Now you're going to stir it really well, scraping down the sides of the bowl, and then you're going to put it back in the microwave for 3 minutes, stirring after 2 minutes. At this point, you're going to see that the mixture is getting more candy-like and boiling more towards the top, so just be very careful because your bowl is going to be very hot. So you're going to stir one more time and then place it back into the microwave to finish cooking for the remaining 1 minute. So now you're going to stir in your package of semi-sweet chocolate chips until they are completely melted. And you're going to want to work pretty quickly here because you don't want it to set up while you're still trying to stir in all of the ingredients. So you're just going to mix that really well until all of the chips are melted. Now you're just going to add in your marshmallow cream, and this stuff is the hardest part of making the fudge. It is so sticky and I just don't like it. I always end up getting it all over me. But once you get that scraped into your bowl, then you can start mixing it in with the fudge, and then you just want to mix it all in until that gets really well incorporated. Once you get that mixed in pretty well, you want to go ahead and add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, if you're like me, you have family members who do not like desserts with nuts in them. So this is when I go ahead and scrape out a little bit of the fudge for my husband and my brother because they don't like nuts in their desserts. Also, shout out to my brother for helping me hold the bowl while I was trying to spread this out. Now I'm just going to add about 1 cup of chopped pecans to the remaining fudge. And once those are well incorporated, then you can just go ahead and add the remaining of the fudge to your pan and just spread it out as evenly as you can so that it can set up. And then it only takes about 30 minutes for this to set up, and then you can enjoy it, and you can store it covered for about 1 to 2 weeks on the counter. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please let me know in the comments below if you try this out and how you like it. This is definitely one of our family favorites for Christmas time. Thank you again so much to the 3 mommies who collaborated on this video with me. I'll have their links in the description box below, so please make sure to check out their channels and let them know I sent you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!